folks, this is Chris from Hale Marine. It's Sunday, and we're building transmissions again. Alrighty. So, Carlos, one of our YouTube watchers on our channel, asked me about a vent on a CR-2 transmission. This is a direct drive 71 series, but all the cast iron transmissions and aluminum transmissions after 1970 use the same vent. So that's what he has, and this is what we're going to talk about today. So the first thing you want to do is, what do you want to do? Here we go. All right. Remove the old one. All right. So what you do is you give it a crack of that away, bang that away, loosen it up a little bit. Grab your trusty pliers, and then just wiggle and jiggle and fight with it till she wants to come out. There we go. Now she's coming. All right, then that's it. Then we have the new vent. What I do, there's two methods. Years ago, I used to just bang on the top of these things, but like everything else, they're not made as well as they used to be. So then, you place it there, and I take my 3/8 wrench, hold it there, and then using my hammer, just mount it in place. All right? And that's it. That's the whole assembly and removal of the breather / vent on cast iron transmissions and the 5000s, Liberty Series, and all the rest. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns on any marine transmission, feel free to give me a call, 804-333-3677. Between 9 o'clock and 3 o'clock East Coast time, U.S., Monday through Friday. Or email me at sales@halemarine.com. I'll leave the phone number and the email and my website, halemarine.com, in the description below. Y'all have a great weekend. Happy Easter to everyone. Take care. Bye.